Good morning, dear students. Welcome to KLA's online classes. Let us continuation our discussion on industrial economics. In previous classes, we completed 3 units: industrial development, industrial policy, and industrial location. And today we are moving to next unit in industrial development subject is industrial finance. See, the finance is the lifeblood of an economy. Finance is the lifeblood of an economy. Without availability of financial facilities, no one sector is not developed in any country. See, therefore, the finance is one of the very important factors, factor of industrial development. The lifeblood of an economy. The three sectors are directly and indirectly depend upon financial facilities in their respected countries. Like India, developing nations, developed nations, and underdeveloped nations. All economies, the three sectors, especially industrial sector, is depend upon the industrial development, and industries development is directly depend upon availability of financial facilities in their respected countries. Therefore, the lack of financial facilities in the country, the firms and industries are not manufacturing goods and services, and totally the economy become a stagnation. Therefore, availability of financial facilities in the country is very favorable condition to growth and development of industries and industrial development. Ultimately, the nation development. So, therefore, the adequate quantity of finance is essential for development of industries. The adequate financial needs by the industrial sector. See, the satisfaction loan facilities, the adequate loan facilities from financial institutions is very necessary for development of industries in our country. And it is very necessary for proper functioning of industries. See, if the proper function of industrial sector purposes, see, the financial facilities are very important. So therefore, see, in pre-independence day of India and post-independence day of India, see, pre-independence day of India, so we were under the British rule and under British government. See, the British government was neglected industrial development and industrial financial institutions also. They were not established any type of financial institutions for industrial development, and they were only established only few industries, so which were or favorable to their home industries. Such type of industries they were established, and they were not introduced any infrastructure facilities to industrial sector and financial supporting to industrial sector also. Like under British rule, only few industries, iron and steel industries, paper industries, and tobacco industries, jute industries, and jute industries. Then the only few industries were activated under British government. Because of the government of British were neglected establishment of financial institution in India. Therefore, the lack of financial facility, India was underdeveloped before Independence Day. See, the availability of land was a scarcity under British rule. See, therefore, then no one was come to establish, and no one was engaged in manufacturing goods and services were hesitating. Therefore, after post-independence day of India, the India was constructed own government banks for development of industrial sector, agriculture sector and service sector also. See, in the year of 1969, the government of India was nationalized 14 major banks in our country to become social banking, to reducing exploiting by money lenders and traders for agriculture and also industrial sector. And afterwards, the government of India was introduced the specialization banks for development of industrial sectors. The special banks development of industrial sector banks also existed, and again the nationalization of a bank was taken by government of India in the year of 1980. Again 6 banks were nationalized. See, then also the special banks for development of industries also existing in India. Therefore, after 1947 onwards, Government of India has been taken more effort on establishment of financial institution with adequate supply of financial facilities to development of industrial sector like small scale industries, cottage industries, village industries, medium scale industries and large scale industries also. So through providing various programs like fresh example by the government of India is Mudra loan. See, Mudra loan for small scale industry, medium scale industry and large scale industries, and one more make in India, then see the stand up and start off. So these plans are encouraging entrepreneurship with providing financial facilities to them. So therefore, after 1947 onwards, Government of India was introduced the various the banking institutions in India to providing financial support with low rate of interest and subsidized loan to industrial sector. So then the categories of financial industrial finance. Those are mainly two categories of finance, industrial finance. So the first one is short-term credit facilities. So also we call circulating or working finance. So mainly two categories of industrial finance. The first one is short-term or circulating or working finance. Working finance for industrial development. The short-term financial is also required by industrial sector or industries. A business unit requires short-term finance for meeting such requirements as the purchase of raw material, the payment for employers, building inventories and finished products. See, the short term maybe 5 years, maybe 2 years. The short term loan is required by all types of industries to meet their requirements of industries. For example, payment of employers like wage and purchasing the raw materials from various sources. Then the inventories or building inventories and finished products purposes, the industrial sector will be required short-term loan. The short-term loan is finance is supplied by money market in India, and also long-term loan or also we call fixed finance. See, the industries a business units requires long-term finance for meeting constructing buildings, machineries, tools and equipments and other fixed assets. This finance is supplied by capital market. See, the industries, small scale industry, large scale industry, medium scale industries are required long-term finance. See, for meeting their requirements such as constructing building, expansion of branches, see purchasing machineries from abroad, within the country, without the country, and advanced technology, and purchasing tools and equipments and other fixed assets purposes. The industries are required long-term loan. The long-term loan may be 10 years to 25 years, the long gestation period of the time so will be covered in long period finance. So therefore the long term financial loan supplied by in India capital market. So therefore development of industries in any country depends on nature and growth of capital and money market in India. See, the any country's economic health is determined by the growth and nature of their respected money markets and capital markets in their country. Therefore, the finance is one of the blood of human body. It means the blood of human body. Without blood, human will not be alive. Therefore, without finance, see, without credit facilities, financial sector is also not run. Therefore, availability of adequate requirement by the industrial sector finance is very important for shining of the industries like small scale industry, medium scale industries, and large scale industry. In India, so mainly uh, two sources of industrial finance, the mainly internal sources and the external sources. Internal sources are within the company or within the industries that make balance between revenue and expenditure, other requirement and expenditure. It means they will be fulfilling their needs within the industry. We call internal sources, and external sources are financial institutions, the industrial development banks, so IDBI, SFCs, and such type of financial institutions are existing and also providing loan facilities to industrial sector. So today we shall be stop for discussion. In the next class we have discussion sources of industrial finance in India. Those are mainly internal and